Hi, Michelle Glass here. Welcome back to another episode in our Chapter 5 lecture series. We are still talking about the integumentary system, and the topic for this video is how the integumentary system is important in the production of vitamin D3, which can also be known by its chemical name, which is cholecalciferol. So anytime you see cholecalciferol, we are talking about a vitamin D3. Now, vitamin D3 is produced by the cells in the integumentary system in the skin in response to ultraviolet radiation. So you need to have some sun exposure, but it's pretty limited. You can have exposure from your face and your hands for like 10 to 15 minutes, and that would be enough to produce the vitamin D3 that you need. So what's happening in your skin is you have the sunlight converting a steroid into the molecule cholecalciferol, which remember is vitamin D3. That cholecalciferol then will leave this cell and move to the liver where it is converted into an intermediate chemical. So obviously we're not being as detailed as we could be. We're leaving out some of the molecule names and so forth here just for simplicity's sake. From this chemical, we're going to see this intermediate chemical leaving the liver and going to the kidney, where it is then converted into calcitriol. So we're seeing here through several steps that the vitamin D3 molecule, cholecalciferol, is converted ultimately to the hormone called calcitriol. Now, the hormone calcitriol will come up in our later conversations because this hormone will be released by the kidney, go to the small intestine, and it's required for the absorption of calcium from your diet. That calcium then leaves the small intestine, goes into your bloodstream, and one of the important jobs for that calcium is to make your bones hard. So you have to have a healthy integumentary system, a little bit of sun exposure in order to produce vitamin D3, which is then important to make the hormone calcitriol, which is then important for the absorption of your dietary calcium, which is then important for a healthy skeleton, for good, strong bones. If you do not have calcium, you do not have hard bones, and instead your skeleton can be described as rubbery. Now you can actually do this experiment, take a chicken bone or turkey leg or leg bone, something like that, something small, and soak it in vinegar for 5 to 7 days. Take it out of that vinegar and it will bend. You don't want to do the experiment because it's too messy. Just YouTube it and you will see that. But it's fun experiment. So if you have a chicken bone laying around, throw it in a jar with some vinegar, leave it for 5 to 7 days, and then take it out and test it. All right, that's it for now. Stay tuned for more.